In this lesson, we will discuss how to calculate sales tax. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to calculate the sales tax for a given item, and also you will be able to find the cost before tax was applied. The key terms for today, the first one is known as VAT. VAT stands for Value Added Tax. This is what the tax GST is called in some other countries. And two other important words to note are inclusive and exclusive. Inclusive means including, and exclusive means not including. Okay, example 1. Find the amount of the tax. A store sells a shirt for $25. VAT of 10% is added. So how will we find the tax amount? Just like finding the discount amount, we just need to multiply, change that percent into a fraction and multiply. So we have $25 times 10 over 100. And that gives us an answer. We can multiply straight across. 25 times 10 is 250. Divide by 100, we get $2.50. That is the amount of tax. But what if they ask you for the total price that the customer has to pay? They would sometimes word it like this: what is the full price of the shirt to the customer, inclusive of tax? Again, inclusive means including. And so we take the original price of the shirt, which was $25, and we simply add the tax. So we're going to add that $2.50 to give us the total price that we have to pay for the shirt, which is $27.50. Now, $27.50. Okay, so today we have to add the amount that we get. And let's think about this logically. When you have to pay tax, you have to pay more. So we should have an answer that is more than the original price. In the last class, a discount means you're going to save money. And so our answers were less than the original price. Example 2. A coat is on sale for $76. The tax is 8%. What is the amount of the tax? Well, again, we have the original amount of $76, and I'm going to multiply that by 8%. 8 over 100. Or you can change it to a decimal. 8 over 100 as a decimal would be 76 times 0.08. And when we change it to a decimal and we multiply 76 times 0.08, we get $6.08. Then it asks for the price of the coat with tax, including the tax, and so now we have to add $76 plus $6.08. So sorry that I do not have a touch screen there. Okay, and we get $82.08. And don't forget your $sign. We are dealing with money. Last example. A stove is priced at $1,200, inclusive of 15% tax. What is the price exclusive of tax? Now let's think about this. We have been multiplying by fractions, but now the tax is already included. And so the multiplier has to include that 15%. So we're looking for And let's also think about how we're going backwards. We want the price before tax. So our answer should be less than $1,200. And therefore we need a fraction that is less than 1. Our multiplier is going to be 100 over 100 plus the tax amount. So 100 plus the 15. Okay, so we're going to multiply by 100 over 115. And we're going to multiply that price they gave us inclusive of the tax. Okay, for this we can just multiply straight across. 1,200 times 100 and then divide by 115. And when we do that, we get an answer of $1,043.48, rounded to the nearest dollar. Okay? So you have to remember to add the percentage, but keep that number in the denominator in order to get a smaller number. And then think about it. Our number should be smaller before tax was added.